Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha of channel. If there is a business I'm very sure you're going to make money from, if you're ready to put in the work and you follow this video step by step, is selling data, right? There is nobody that is watching my video that is not using data, because for you to even watch my video you need data. What do I mean by data? You mean you need internet data like MTN data, Airtel, 9 Mobile, whatever data. And data business is becoming a very serious and a big business in Nigeria. A lot of people focus on recharge card business, forgetting that people now use more data. In fact, I can see people use more data than recharge card on a daily basis. And the thing is, there is a way you can make money doing data business. I can even call this one data arbitrage. If you want to buy data from your phone, you can spend a lot of money buying probably a 1 gig data. You might spend up to like maybe 1,000 naira, 900 naira, depending on the company you are buying from. But if you want to buy data from data vendors, people that sell data, you can buy 1 gig data for as low as 300 naira. Should I bust your head? Those guys don't buy that data for 219 naira. They buy that data around 240, 250. So for every 1 gig data they sell to you, they make like 15 naira as profit. I'm going to solve the mathematics in my computer screen. Basically, the point is I'll be teaching you how you can start data business in Nigeria from the comfort of your home and begin to make crazy amount of money. Then I'll teach you the strategies you can use to sell this data. You don't need to be on the street. You can just be in the comfort of your room selling data, right? Without further ado, let's head over to my computer screen. Okay guys, so welcome to my computer screen. If you are looking for a side hustle, you can start with as low as 5,000 naira, even 2,000 naira, any amount of money you have on you that you're going to make profit from this side hustle. Follow me on this video today. I'll be teaching you about data arbitrage business, right? It's just about buying and selling data. So I'll be showing you how you can buy data for cheap price and how you can also sell this data for expensive price. A lot of people are using this method and they are making crazy amount of money from this method. If you're watching my channel for the first time, you're welcome to the Alpha of channel. On this channel I talk about cryptocurrencies, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and things that can improve your life generally. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on if you really want to join our amazing family. So without further ado, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to explain to you how this business works. Now if I go on Google and I search for buy data online, you're going to see different kind of articles, but what I will do is I'm going to show you some images. You can look at this particular image here. I'm sure you guys can see it on my screen. This person is selling 1 gig of MTN data for 300 naira, while 2 gig of MTN data is selling for 600 naira, 3 gig for 900, 4 gig for 1,200. You can notice that he's selling this data for like 300 naira, 600 naira, 900, 1,200, right? 300 naira difference. But the funny thing is that this guy doesn't buy this data for this amount. There are websites you can buy data as low as 240 naira or 250 naira for 1 gig. So you can buy like 1 gig for 250 naira, 2 gig for 500, and you are making the difference of this money without any stress. Now the question is, how do you start this business? And that is why you have Alpha in this place. I'm going to be teaching you guys everything step by step. This will be one of the best videos, if you take action on, can literally change your life, right? Now the second thing again I want you to take note of is that somebody else is still doing the same business this guy is doing. And if you look at this place, I don't know if you can see the screen clearly. Maybe I have to save this image and open it on a bigger screen, right? This guy is selling this data for more expensive amount than this first guy I showed you. Another person is here selling his own for probably like 150 naira difference, doing this same business as the other guy, right? You know, different people with different prices. But me personally, I advise you to go for an amount of money that is not ridiculously expensive. Look at this person. This person is doing 1 gig for 600 naira, and basically what they are doing in this place is the trick I'm about to teach you in this video, right? To tell you the funny thing, for you to buy this data, I mean, you just need 250 naira to buy a 1 gig data, and you can go on to sell this data for probably 300 naira and above. If you know how to even put your fee high, you can sell as much as 450, just like the way some people are doing here. So let's go straight to my computer screen. Let me show you how this magic works. Now there are many websites you can get your data from, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to focus on speedydata.com.ng. speedydata.com.ng is the fastest growing automated platform for data services. It is very important I let you know that I'm not an affiliate with this platform. I don't do any business with them, but I know what they do and how people are making money from speedydata.com.ng, right? So what they do on speedydata.com.ng is that they buy data in bulk and they begin to sell it for a reasonable amount of price to people, while you can go on to buy this data from them and sell it to other people that need data and make your profit. Now if you scroll down to the end of speedydata.com.ng screen, you're going to see that they have various network data here. Look at it, Glo, MTN, Airtel, 9 Mobile, which are the most popular data platforms in Nigeria. And the interesting thing is that they have gone on to show you the prices they are selling their data for. You can see something here. If you want to buy a 1 gig data of MTN, you are buying for 250 naira, and if you want to buy a 2 gig data of MTN, are buying for 500 naira. If you notice, it's 250, 500, but the guys that are selling for 300 naira or even 450. So let's do some quick mathematics. Let's say I have 5,000 naira and I want to buy a 1 gig data plan of I want to buy 5,000 naira worth of data plan, right? I'm just going to come to this place, 5,000 naira divided by 250. How many data plan am I going to get? 250, right? Now I'm going to get 20 gig of data plan, and look at it. If I set this 20 gig by 300, I'm going to get 6,000 naira. If I minus my 500 naira from this 5,000 naira, which is my capital, I've made a profit of 1,000 naira just like that, right? Now imagine I sell this 20 gig for 450. For 450, I have made 9,000 naira. If I minus my 5,000 naira, I have made 4,000 naira. So if you are starting with a capital of 5,000 naira, you can make as much as 4,000 naira, doing one business. And this data you can quickly sell all this data and go on to make over 100,000 plus as profit at the end of the month. This is not a trick. This is true. A lot of people are making money from this. How did I understand this stuff? I used to buy data from a guy that sells stuff like this, and the kind of person I am, I noticed that because I have internet Wi-Fi in my house, I always have unlimited data. But if I want to step out, I need money. I need data to do some other stuff outside my house. So I just buy data of 900 naira for 3 gig MTN, and I keep buying this stuff from time to time. And I'm like, if this thing is so cheap, how is this guy making money from it? I was able to figure this out. So let's go back to where we are in the tutorial. This video is going to be a video that can change the game for you. If you are not a shy person, you are not ashamed, you really want to make money off the internet, this is something that can actually fetch you crazy amount of money. So look at this. If you want to buy Glo is a little bit expensive than MTN. 1 gig data of Glo is 400 naira, 3.9 gig is 800 naira, 7.5 gig is 1,200. For you to start, you need to buy your data, and let me just show you how you can go on to start buying data. But before then, there are a lot of people that are doing this stuff, and this is their testimony. Look at this guy. His name is Mustafa Abdurrahman. He said, I was seriously looking for a side hustle until I stumbled on this and this and this, and this Speedy Data is answer the best plan to purchase your data from, and this guy is still doing transaction with them for over a year, right? A lot of people have benefited from this platform. I am telling you guys, I'm not an affiliate of this platform, but this is a sure way to make money online in Nigeria from the comfort of your home. So how does this thing work? First, you need to create an account. You need to log in to create an account to get started. The sign up is very easy, and you can complete this within seconds. Secondly, you need to fund your wallet. You basically need to transfer money to your wallet. And thirdly, you need to place order, which you will use to buy your data. For you to create an account, all you need to do is to come to the sign up for free, right? When you come to the sign up for free page, you will need to put your information just like the typical way you create accounts on any platform. There are more than one platforms you can actually start this business on, right? I'm going to do another video to show you 5 websites you can buy cheap data from. So what you can even do is you can go on to compare these websites one after the other and see the one that still benefits you more. This particular platform is selling their 1 gig for 250. Maybe you will see another platform that is ready to sell for 240 naira, right? So basically, to register your account, you're going to put your first name, you put your last name, you put your username, you put your phone number, you put your email address, you put your referrals username. I'm going to put a link in the description so that you can use to create your account and I can be your referral, right? You put your password and you put confirmation there, and you just click on sign up, right? You click on sign up. So let me just quickly do this myself, show you my phone number here. A lot of people want to send me messages. Please, easy on me, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, please make sure you stick to the end. Alright, so look at me. I've created an account. It did not take any time. If you want to use your Android device, you can go on Google Play Store. If you want me to do a mobile tutorial of how you can start this stuff on your mobile phone, I'm going to go on to still teach you guys step by step how this thing works. So if you open your account, you're going to see that your balance is 0 naira 00 kobo. You can see your dashboard. There is data order, deposit, airtime top up, bill payment, data pins. Create your account. You can see that I have 0 naira 00 kobo in my balance, right? On this screen of the dashboard. This is where you're going to get all the updates and latest information. Yeah, look at it, the data prices, the platform, and how much they are selling for. They are all in this place. The first thing you need to do is for you to top up your balance. So for you to fund your wallet, you need to come to deposit. You have to come to deposit. When you click on deposit, you're going to see fund wallet. You can fund your wallet in different methods. Look, I fund your wallet with your ATM card. Anyone you choose to fund your wallet with is fine, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the two methods you can use in funding your wallet, right? You can use Paystack to fund your wallet. You can use Flutterwave, any of these methods to fund your wallet. All you need to do is to come here, write the amount you want to fund. Let's say I want to fund 5,000 naira. If I want to fund 5,000 naira, the amount they're going to charge me is 5,178 naira, and I'll click on deposit now. Now when you click on deposit now, there are various methods you can use to make your payment, either your Paystack, your MasterCard, your Visa card, your Verve card, anyone that is comfortable by you. You can use that to make your payment. So in your checkout page, you will choose the method you want to send your money. Do you want to pay with your card? If you want to pay with your card, you put all the information of your card details and everything in this place. If you want to do bank transfer, you're going to put the bank you want to transfer from. For example, they have limited option. There's GT Bank, there's Kuda Bank, there's Zenith Bank. Anyone you want to do, if you click on it, they're going to generate an account number to you and you send your money there. If you want to do transfer, right, to Paystack, they're going to give you a bank account number you're going to transfer, and you're going to do start off between 30 minutes. Once you send your money to this bank account, then you can go on to it. If you want to use USSD code from your phone, you can start with your Guaranteed Trust Bank, start 737 to do that. You can use different method they use in making payment here. They have a lot of options, so you don't have any reason why you should not be able to make payment on this platform, right? So when you make your payment on this platform, now let's say you have made your payment on this platform, your money has been funded, you are going to come to data orders, and you are going to click on place order. Now when you click on place order, based on the money you have here, you're going to select the amount of data you want. So when you click on place order, you're going to see where you're going to put your phone number. You're going to put the phone number you want them to credit the data to, right? You're going to put your phone number. Let's say this phone number. You're going to select the network, MTN, Airtel, Glo, whatever. Put the network here, and you're going to put the rate you want. So if I pay 5,000 naira, so I'm going to check what my 5,000 naira can get me here, right? This is 5,000 naira can get me 20 gig, right? So if my 5,000 naira can get me 20 gig for the rate of 250, I'm going to place my order. When I make my payments, now imagine I'm now selling my data for 300 naira, right? I bought this data 20 gig for 5,000 naira, right? So look at it. If I divide the 20, I'm going to multiply the 20 gig by 300, then I made 1,000 naira difference, just like that. How many businesses can just give you this kind of margin of profit? 5,000 naira, and you're making 1,000 naira difference. So if you can invest 100,000 naira, 100,000 naira is going to give you, divided by 250, is give you how many gig? 400 gig times 300. That is if you are selling for 300. I'm not even going for 450 this time around. 300 naira. You have made 120,000 naira back in return, which means you made 20,000 naira just like that by buying and selling this your data. Now the question is, how do you sell this data? It's as simple as ABC. You can sell this data basically on your WhatsApp. A lot of people that are on your WhatsApp contact base, your Facebook platform, your social media platform, just literally post that I sell 1 gig data for 300 naira or 350 naira for 1 gig data, and see what will happen, right? People are going to rush you, because to buy 1 gig data from MTN is actually more expensive than this. So if people know that they can buy cheaper data from you, of course they'll rush you. Am I not the one that's actually buying data from people? Some people have turned this to like recharge card selling business, that they even have a small shop, or where they have their businesses in. Like some of you have your own shop, your business. All you need to do is to just put a signboard that you sell data, right? And once people come in, you just do the transfer to them. Like when you buy your data in bulk, you transfer the quantity they want and you collect your money. If you don't want to even show your face at all, you can do this from the comfort of your home, anywhere you are in the world, and begin to make crazy amount of money. Like I told you guys, making money on the internet is not difficult. It's not difficult, but it's not something that anybody can just do, because it is a skill, and that is what I teach you on this platform. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop more content like this, you will not miss out. I've done a video on how you can build a WhatsApp contact and get a WhatsApp database of over 10,000. I have over 10,000 WhatsApp database. You can check the link in my description of the video I made. You can look at that video and learn how to build your WhatsApp contact. And yes, if you have any other anything, question, whatever you want to ask me, I'm going to do well to teach you guys everything and how this thing works, right? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you would not miss out. If you find this content valuable, please like this video, share this video, comment this video. It helps my algorithm. Subscribe to my channel, follow me. I give a lot of valuable content. Please guys, do not leave without subscribing to this channel. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.